Sidetracking a little on trusting TV shows and people in general. Why cynicism is not better than putting your trust in people around you? I ask you. Drice Walker, the real character here, believing that deep inside we are all good people and we try to do our best in all we do. But unfortunately, not everyone acts in good faith. But I will teach you a good trick to find out who the bad apples are. When you point out a discrepancy on any situation, people acting in good faith will try to make it good and correct it as quickly as possible. There is a small percentage of bad people that's looking for opportunities to exploit any situation. And when presented with the facts that they may be taking more out of you than what they should, or facts don't line up, they try to bend or twist reality to fit their narrative. This fact alone makes them easy to spot. They can be dangerous, but because they are easy to spot, you should avoid exposure to those people. You have control. This is a mechanism to discern who are the players in your life that you should keep around you and those that you could actually trust. If they are family and good friends, point it out to them. Observing the outcomes and actions of people around you and trusting those that you choose to keep is the best way to create a winning team and to be healthy while doing this. Because to put our trust in most of the people that we deal with is a good thing for our health and makes us more productive, makes us learn new things, engages in better projects, and overall, it makes us more functional human beings. Trust is a beneficial evolutionary trait that helped us all along. And on the other hand, evolutionary paths made sure that cynicism is disastrous on people's lives. And it isn't a sign of smarts at all. Cynical people close the door on genuine findings by questioning the validity of real opportunities, making them lose out on great offers. Now that you know my secret, be a trusting person and keep your eyes open. You will only get deceived if you allow it to happen. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and wise with Explanation, where my job is to help you to do construction right. Thank you for watching, and until next time, here I am, Drice Walker with Explanation. Dumbing down, dumbing down, dumbing down.
You know, I just got called out on the community content that I usually include in this channel. Well, I come to you, directly to you, to express my disbelief. I really can't believe that some Gen Z are trying to cancel me here in my own channel. Obviously, I decided to stop using the accent to endorse our sponsor's business, but I'm gonna continue to do my own videos, okay? To clear this up, I will read a statement directly from the owners of our sponsoring companies. Look what they said. They said here, the Ultimate Pro and its subsidiaries, the Ultimate Handyman and TUH Construction Company, assume no responsibility for the fictional, satirical, and improvisational nature of any content posted by Explanation Channel, other websites, and or any other social media accounts. And hire an attorney for sure. We vehemently oppose the nonsensical nature of the jokes that was brought to our attention. They really didn't need to be that mad at me, you know, but anyway. Including any mockery of people that may have accents and may have been disrespectfully portrayed by Drice Walker in his sketches. Those sketches embodying people's accents and other defining characteristics were never endorsed by our company, and we are therefore disclaiming any participation on these comedic endeavors. I don't even know what endeavor means, but holy moly, they didn't like it, okay? This is really not a good thing. I don't want to spook the cash cow, so I'm going to stop using the accent when I talk about their business. But here, my own channel, I can say and do whatever I want, okay? So I do whatever I want and I will keep speaking. So let me clarify it in my typical Drice Walker style. All characters appear in this video, in this channel, in this website, in this internets, even those based on real people, are entirely fictional, okay, my friend? In any resemblance, even resemblance is like they actually look like someone. But between any resemblance between any person living dead or undead, even zombies, to tell you the truth, is purely coincidental, okay? Coincidental. Now leave me alone. Don't come bugging me over here because of my accent, okay? That's my personality and it's how I choose to talk to my wife. And my wife loves my accent anyway and it turns her on, okay? Reminds her of a mother country where real men used to live. You see, that's when I talk in any other ways, I'm out of character. She just treats me like I'm the owner of a company. Okay? What I'm trying to say, she treats me like a cash goat. And she milks me. That's what I'm trying to say. She used to milk goats in the old country. Yeah, I'm not complaining. She's a pro. Okay? You were complaining though, so you were the one who wants me to stop talking about my things. I'm even speeding on the camera. I'm so sorry. When I'm talking, I'm speeding on the camera. Why? Because I'm nervous.
When I'm presented with a difficult or unusual situation, I have an alter ego. Drice Walker here, your favorite conspiracy practitioner. Now you got a bit of the personality split, and that's why I'm here. To warn you and to give you validity to the cynic in you. I will be pointing out discrepancies, calling people out on their bull craps. I'm not gonna tell you that home improvement TV shows are bad news for the DIYer, especially because they don't realize that. They will go into it thinking that's easy and they will get stuck in it. That's when they call professionals like me. Don't believe in the saving graces of TV. They want to make you believe in their fakery. Although it's me saying it, don't believe in me either. I mean, use the device that God gave you, that gray matter up in your cranium. I'm not referring to the COVID-19 vaccine that infiltrated my brain and I once have said that it was good, but I don't believe in it anymore. For that, we need to wait a few years to find out for sure, if I survive it. See you next time. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. You won't regret it. My wife is calling me. See you next time with explanation where plan meets nation and there is an X in it. Talk to you later. Goodbye.